Hi guys, this is a super awesome video for someone who really loves to shop on sales. This is the year-ending sales that are going on in the malls. So you all must go and visit the mall, whoever gets an opportunity to, but do wear your masks. But there are lovely sales that I got in. See, this is the sale, goodie sale bag from Bath and Body Works. And it's an awesome sale that is going on. I'll just show you what all I have in this goodie bag of Bath and Body Works. See, I got this. This is the Beach Coconut Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath and Body Works. It's really nice. It smells lovely coconut, lovely coconut, and a must buy. I love this. This is all on 50% off. So go grab yours as soon as possible because before they go out of stock. Then I got a lovely body cream, Belize Tropical Cabana. It's really nice. It smells lovely. Putting a little bit and I'll show you. It smells lovely. It smells nice. It's totally tropical fruits. The Tropical Cabana. Nice. Once again, you can have a look. This is a very nice one. It's a complete body cream. After a bath, you can put all over your body. It's really nice. From Bath and Body Works. Then I got a very nice, it's a Vanilla Bean Noel. It's a body shimmer fizz lotion. It's something very new. I really liked it. It's really for the season, the winter season that is in. It's very nice. This is the Vanilla Bean Noel. It's a shimmer. It's a foam shimmer body lotion. It really gives shine to your body, your skin. It's sealed, I guess. So I'm going to wear it after the bath. Very nice. Something very new from Bath and Body Works. Again, it's on 50% off. And we have another shower gel from the same Vanilla Bean Noel. This is a shower gel for the bath shower gel. Very nice. It smells really lovely. It smells nice. I like the fragrance. It's again on 50% off. There are lots of variety of fragrances which you like. You can pick it up, but do make sure that you go fast before the stocks go out, because certain times the ones which are really good go out faster. So this is Mad About You. It's a fragrance mist. It's a nice one. You can keep it in your purse. I got the smaller one. It's really nice. It smells lovely. It's Mad About You. Mad About You. It's a nice, they have a bigger version and a more quantity big bottle also available. I like the smaller version just to keep it in my purse. So it's a very nice one. This is again on 50% off. Then I got a very nice glowing illuminating hair repair mask. It's a hair repair mask. After your, while you're giving a head shower, you can just use this mask. It's very nice. It's a glowing illuminant hair mask, repair hair mask. Something very new. Again, a 50% off one. And I got some very cute hand creams. These are the two hand creams that I got. This is again from the Vanilla Bean Noel. This is Vanilla Bean Noel. And this is the Champagne Apple and Honey. Both are very nice hand creams. Again, 50% off. So you can go and grab. There are more of them. There is one in the, for the apple. There's an apple one. There is a winter candy. Very nice fragrances have come for your hand creams. And last but not the least, I got a Noir, a Bath and Body Works. It's men's ultra sheer body cream. This is for the men. Your men folk can use it. It can be a beautiful gift for the season to the men folk. So it's a must grab opportunity for the men also. And the ladies can go and get these gifts for the men if they have men in their houses. So it's a must buy. It's nice. It's a good fragrance for the men in the house. It's a good buy. Again, 50% off. So go grab yours before the stocks finish, and it's a must buy. So I hope you like, do share and subscribe.